346, meditation on sectarian prejudice. When we become more engaged along the path, things become more complicated. When we deepen our understanding of emptiness and the interdependence of all things, it is difficult to accept at the same time the idea of a creator God who exists in and of himself and who is unchanging. Similarly, for someone who believes in a God who created the universe, interdependence poses a problem. On a certain level, one begins to touch upon the very foundation of one's religion, and then one is obliged, so to speak, to specialize. This does not preclude at all the possibility of respecting all paths. It simply makes it difficult to follow them all at once. Words to meditate on.